Hey everyone, so today's video is kind of inspired by a luxury tag that I have been seeing going around on YouTube. So that's a luxury bag tag where people list either the top 5 or top 7 luxury bags that they're currently obsessed with. And I haven't actually watched anyone's videos just yet because I wanted to film mine and then watch what other people are saying, just because I didn't want their choices or their preference to inadvertently influence my choice. So in this video, I'm obviously going to share with you what my top 7 are. This was actually difficult for me to get it down to 7 because I initially listed 10 and then I think I managed to take 3 out. I think so. I hope so. So if you're a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Odette and I do fashion and lifestyle videos for the working girl. And on my channel, I discuss everything from affordable all the way to luxury brands. So today we are discussing luxury. So I'm going to go ahead and if I'm looking at my phone, it's because I have a list of the items here. The first one that I think I have been crazily obsessed with is the Fendi First bag. That bag, oh my god, is actually on my wish list and I haven't yet pulled the plunge to buy it because I'm still a bit uncertain about the colors. One thing that we've been seeing a lot of the luxury stores do very recently is release a wide range of colors for their various staple lines that they have, and Fendi is no exception to that. So the Fendi First bag, I absolutely love it. On my actual wish list, the bag that I had was the inlay bag with the different colors in the small size. And because I'm not particularly obsessed with the color combination, I'm willing to kind of wait and see what else comes out. That's the reason why I didn't pull the plunge. However, the color that I really did like was the one that came out in the bigger Fendi First style. So that's the blue, I think it was blue, burgundy, and something else, silver maybe, I can't quite remember. But I think it was that. So I actually preferred that and I wish they had that in the smaller size. If they did, I would have bought it immediately. Lately, I've been obsessing with this new style that they're doing, and they're doing it in most of their main line. So they've done it in the peekaboo style and they've done it in the Fendi Sunshine Tote as well, and the Fendi First. So I went into store, I think about 2 days ago, to have a look at the bag and I absolutely loved it. It's a braided leather style. I think they call it a braided leather. So it's just leather that they've kind of intertwined with each other to create some type of grid type of looking style. I don't know if I'm doing justice, but I'm gonna put a picture up there. And I'm particularly obsessed with the mint color. I love that color in this Fendi First style. When I went into store, they didn't have the mint one, they had the beige one, which I still loved. But I would like to see what the mint actually looks like in person. But yeah, that's the first bag that I'm obsessed with. Sometime this year I need to pull the plunge and actually buy it because the price of the Fendi First is actually going up like most designer bags. The second bag that I am completely obsessed with is my ABC Lady Dior. That has been on my wish list for about 3 years. Well, since my wish list started, that has been on my wish list. And again, that's another one that the price keeps going up. And right now it's at a ridiculous price. I'm actually regretting it not buying it before, but that's fine. Rather than rush and buy something, I'd rather take my time, save up the money and buy it, even though I know the prices are going up. So specifically, I am loving the blue. It's like a blue ombre colored one that they released for their summer collection. And that bag, I have seen it in person. It's so pretty. It's again another one, I think, again with the My ABC Lady Dior, it's always a question, for me, it's always a question of, do I want to buy it now or do I want to wait? And also what colorway should I get it in, because there's so many colors that have come out in this. And I'm really excited about this because I feel like in the past, there weren't too many colorways in the My ABC line, but Dior has come to realize that a lot of people actually prefer that size. So they're beginning to release a lot of colors in that size. And I'm kind of, part of me wants to hold off and see what colors come out, but part of me also wants to be like, okay, make a decision quickly because the prices are going up. So that's my second obsession. I keep going to the Dior website, and whenever I'm in central London, I find myself entering inside Dior itself and looking at the bags. So back again to Fendi, the next bag that I've been obsessing with recently is the Fendi Sunshine Tote in the smaller size, not the medium size. That bag, when I saw it in leather, I wasn't a huge fan. However, they've just released the canvas version. I say just, this is probably again for their summer collection, so they released that I think in February. Is the canvas version, which is cheaper than the leather obviously. But what I love about this is that the handle is actually wooden, so it's not the, is it tortoise style, which I never really liked to begin with. When I look at the leather bag and the tortoise handle, I don't like that look. I don't think it goes well. I think they can do better. That's why I think I've never actually gone ahead and purchased one. But I do love the wooden handle that they have now, and I absolutely love the canvas color. As a matter of fact, all their bags that they have in canvas. So this is the Sunshine as well as the Fendi Graphic. These two bags for me in the canvas is just an absolute beauty. I don't know if my love for the canvas is because it's summer and canvas just makes sense during summer, or if it's something that's going to be forever, but this is definitely a bag that I am very eager to purchase in the canvas. I think it would be great for work, particularly during summer when it's not raining, but it would also be great for travel. The only issue that I have, or my only concern, is, well, first off, it's not leather, it's canvas. Which means it's probably not going to last for as long as you need it to last. So that is putting me off a little bit, because I'm thinking to myself, do you want to spend all that money on a canvas bag, or would you rather get it in a leather that you like and it can last a longer time, it's a lot more durable as well. The second thing I'm concerned about, having makeup transfer to that, and if I do have it, it's going to be so visible. Yeah, that is definitely putting me off, or that's definitely making me think twice about what I want to get that in the canvas. But because I'm thinking twice about it, I keep looking at it online, I keep trying to do research about it. Again, it's a new bag, so there's not too many comments about it. So yeah, so that leads me on to my next bag, which is the Yves Saint Laurent Rive Gauche tote. For a very long time, I've wanted this bag, but I've never been really pressed about it, because yeah, I always ask myself, what would I use it for? It'd be perfect for travel, but I don't know if I'll actually take it with me to work. I don't know if I'll consider that a work bag. I think it's more of a travel bag for me, or just it's a shopper tote, right? It's something just to hold in your hand, especially if you're going shopping or something like that. I've never actually decided to go ahead and purchase it because I wasn't particularly crazy about the colors that came out. However, they have this new color, and I saw that and I was like, I actually like that color. That's a really pretty color. It's more expensive than your standard black one or your standard beige one. The difference between this one and the beige one is that it has a beige or dark beige trim to it versus the black trim. So I think that makes it slightly different, and a lot of people have obviously the black one and the beige one with the black trim, but not a lot of people have this one because it's new. So I'm thinking, if I really want to get a canvas bag, should I go ahead and purchase this one and see how I do with that, if I still love it after a couple of months of using it, or if I use it as frequently as I think I'm going to use it, then maybe I can go ahead and purchase the Fendi one. So that's kind of why you see two canvas bags. This is obviously why I am sort of obsessed with this bag, because I'm trying to decide whether I should get this one or the Fendi one. So I've been going back and forth and looking at them online. So the next bag is the Balenciaga Hourglass in the small size. This bag recently came on my wish list after I went to Balenciaga a couple of months ago. I actually saw this bag in the, not the denim, but the cloth material that kind of looks like denim, but it's not denim, and I fell in love with it immediately. And I went to Balenciaga to have a look at it. They didn't actually have the one that I wanted. They had the smaller version, but they had the white one, which I just fell in love with. So you have the cloth one that looks like denim and the white ones, and I've been going back and forth because I can't decide which one I want to get first. I'm gonna at least get one of them. And then they had to go ahead and release the denim version, which literally just came out, and oh my goodness, I tried it on 2 days ago and I'm obsessed with it. I think I actually prefer this one than the cloth one. If you've been watching me, then you know I don't like to buy the same bag in multiple colors. I think I'm more of a sample collector of luxury bags, so I like to have one of each style or each line. But this is definitely a moment where I think I would eat my words, because I absolutely love the denim in this, and I love the white bag as well. I need a white bag in my collection. So bag number 6 is the jacquemus Bambino bag, but I want the Grand Bambino bag, not the smaller one. Again, another bag that's very practical. It's a small size, but it's also a very good day to night bag. Initially, I wanted this in the white color, obviously, because I felt like if I'm gonna go for white and it's gonna get stained, I don't want to spend loads of money on it, except it is the Balenciaga one, because I know that I can easily take out the stains from that. However, jacquemus does have this bag in a number of colors, and I've been particularly looking at the yellow one, because yellow for me, I think, is a color that I like, but I also know it's a color that I wouldn't be able to easily style, because I don't know if I have a lot of stuff that goes with it. So I'd rather pay the price of a jacquemus bag and test out that yellow color. So I think when it comes to getting bags or luxury bags or contemporary luxury bags in fun colors, I would rather go for something that's slightly cheap, and this for me is a perfect bag to sort of test out a color in. The final item that I have is a bag that I keep saying I'm gonna get, but I've never actually gotten. So that's the Saint Laurent Lulu puffer in the small size, and in the red color specifically, so red with H-Go hardware. This bag is the only red bag that I think I want. I need a red bag in my collection. I don't know how I've gotten this far with other colors but not red. I've looked at red in different designer brands, but for some reason this is the only one that I keep coming back to. First of all, Saint Laurent is such an affordable brand. They make very good quality bags. Like, talk about value for money, you go straight to Saint Laurent for that. I own, I believe, 4 of their bags at the moment. I'm gonna sell one, but I do own 4 of their bags at the moment, and they've never given me any issue whatsoever. So I'm very comfortable purchasing a bag from Saint Laurent, and when it comes to like a red bag, I think this is perfect, because this bag is a bag that you can wear during the day, and it's also a bag that you can wear out for dinner. And the way the chain is set up, you can actually shorten the length. So this bag is definitely a great bag. I did miss out on an opportunity to buy this bag secondhand from Vestiaire. I was distracted and someone else came and took the plunge. So, and now the price has gone up significantly, so I'm gonna keep looking at the pre-love market to see what I can find something. This is not a bag that I want to buy brand new, because I know I can get it cheaper secondhand. So that's it for the list of bags that I'm currently obsessed with. I actually don't know which one I'm gonna buy next. My next luxury bag is definitely going to come out from this list, because the rate at which I am scouring the internet and researching these bags, yeah, I'm bound to buy something from there very soon. So thank you so much for watching to this point. Let me know if you have a list of bags that you're obsessed with. If you do, please go ahead and sound off in the comment section and let's have a chat. So if you've watched to this point, that means you actually enjoyed the video, so go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Turn on that notification bell so that you know every single time, I can't speak today. Turn on that notification bell so that you know every single time that I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.